that is stained. You mad? Your sugar-coated doll is not so pure. My bad, I don't give a